Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to be installing weatherproof covers on all my exterior outlets. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. So I painted this house a couple months ago, and I'm just now getting around to doing the final touches. Don't ask me why this is brown. That's probably 20 years old. It was not the color of the house. Didn't even complement the color of the house, but I'm going to cover it up with an outlet cover. So here's my cover. It's configured for any outlet. I can do a GFI or the standard 2-hole, and it comes set up for a GFI. So if you want to use the old style, you will have to add a little part that comes with it. This comes with everything. Got the trap door, you figure out how you want it. Box, a little bag of goodies here. So if you've got the standard 2-prong, you're going to add this to the back of here like so. It snaps in there, and you can use it that way. I'm going to use it that way because I'm covering a more modern one. It's got longer screws if you need those. I probably will need those. So the idea here is it's got the gasket on the back. This is going to go against the wall around it like so. I'll need to loosen that screw and that screw, and ideally just pull it out enough where I can stick this on there, slide it over, and tighten it down. That probably won't happen. I'll have to unscrew the whole outlet. Don't forget to turn the power off on that. And you have to decide also how you want it to be configured. So you've got hinge options either in the top or on the side. And so I think I'll use mine on the top so that when I want to use it, I'll just flip the top up, plug it in, and this will hang down about there. If it rains, it's completely protected. So it's a good idea to have these on your exterior outlets. All right, first thing I'm going to do is loosen these a little bit, see if I can get some space. Okay, I like that. And this one on the bottom is already out. It's not going to be long enough, so I'm going to remove this screw, tiny little screw, and replace it with one of the longer ones that came with the kit. I'm holding a little plastic tab in on the back so that it'll hold my screw in when I replace it. Okay, good enough. Now I want to see if I can actually I know I can get the bottom one in easily enough. Easier said than done. Get over here. Okay, there's that one. Now I just want to move it, shift it over, and put it back in the holes. So I'm going to tighten the top one a little bit just to make sure yeah, that one's good. So this bottom one is probably going to give me fits because I don't want to pull this out enough where I crack the cover, but I need to find the hole. There's a whole bunch of slop on this screw too. Oh, and there it went. Get back in there. Okay, so you can see my screws are a little off kilter here, so I want to move these over so it gives complete coverage, and then I can tighten it in. The longer screws certainly help. I got lucky with this top one being long enough. As you screw it in, the plastic will kind of tend to slide with the rotation of the screw. Okay, it's pretty tight. Lastly is to install the hinge section on the top. It's a matter of aligning these prongs course, you can't do it while it's fully open. And it should snap together. Like that. And that's it. Plug your thing in. When you're done with it, let it drop, close it, and you're good to go. Well, that's a very easy job, and it's a big time safety issue. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you're interested in our franchise opportunity, I'll leave a link for that in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.